Hi everybody, this is Gordon.
And I'm Jennifer.
Yes, we're from West Coast Swing Amsterdam, and today we're going to do a small partner variation. The first one is going to be a shoulder catch, and as the way it's indicated, it's a shoulder catch on the follower. We start with a normal sugar push. The sugar push goes from 1, 2, we're going to bring her back. Once she's on 4, I'm going to change my hand from left to right, to right to right. Watch, this is my right, and while she's stepping back, I'm taking over. From there, I'm going to invite her just to walk towards me, and while she's walking, 1, 2, I'm going to use my left hand to stop her.
Followers are going to keep going in the same direction unless they feel the redirection.
Yeah, and because she needs to use the triple step to go back, it's best to go from right, left, right, left, right. So from here, she can just do a triple step and be done with this. Yes. Something to add? You go 1, 2, 3, change hands. 5 and 6 and 1, 2, bring her back, triple step. So from the leader's perspective, nothing really changes. We really need to make sure that she understands that it's going to be a change of direction. We cannot just stop her and expect a follower just to being pushed back. Yeah. For the leaders, it's going to be 1, 2, I'm open up because I give her this lane. It's going to be on 2. Now I have my triple steps in place, because all I have to do is making sure that I will redirect her on the end. 3 and 4. And this is my 4, which means it's going to be a anchor position leading to my 5 and 6.
Followers, the footwork goes as follows. We're going 1, 2, forward still on the 3. That's the moment when we feel the redirection. The end is next to your foot. Your 4 goes backwards. Triple step. So it's actually very similar to the footwork of a sugar push.
Yeah. So let's see this on both sides. So first we're going to do a sugar push first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Change hands. And 1, touch, redirect. 5 and 6. Let's do a small underarm turn.
Switch sides.
Shoot first. 2, 3 and 4. Change hands. On 3, we're gonna give already for the indication, and we switch hands again. All right, that was it.
Yeah, super sweet and short. Followers, the last comment here is to make sure that you keep your steps small. If you speed away too quickly, your leader won't have the chance to implement the shoulder catch there. So have fun practicing this, and we'll see you in the next video, I guess, right?
Bye.